Hello and welcome to this tutorial on beginner's notation. This video teaches you the basic skills of recognizing notation, which is necessary for learning new, more advanced algorithms and executing official WCA scrambles. This video shows you all you need to know to complete the algorithms in the beginner's method. Now, in this basic notation, there's only two types of turns: clockwise turns and anti-clockwise turns. Clockwise turns are represented with capital letters, for example, the capital letter U. The capital letter U means turn the top layer to the left. The capital letter D means turn the bottom layer to the right. The capital letter R means turn the right side of the cube upwards. The capital letter L means turn the left side of the cube downwards. The capital letter F means turn the front side of the cube to the right. And capital letter B means turn the back side of the cube to the left. Now moving on to the anti-clockwise turns. They're pretty much the same thing, except it's the opposite. And instead of just a capital letter, it's a capital letter and then an apostrophe. This apostrophe is pronounced prime. So, again, for example, the capital letter U, then an apostrophe, is U prime, which means turn the top layer to the right, which is like the opposite of U, which means turn it to the left. Then D prime means turn the bottom layer to the left. R prime means turn the right side of the cube downwards. L prime means turn the left side of the cube upwards. F prime means turn the front layer of the cube to the left. And B prime means turn the back layer of the cube to the right. Hopefully that was helpful, and now I'm going to show them all together in a sort of overview so that you can recognize them. So, U, D, R, L, F, B, B prime, F prime, L prime, R prime, D prime, and U prime. So there you go. Now I'm going to show you this cool little algorithm that you can use to kind of practice your TPS, turns per second, or just kind of play around with. So it's R, U, R prime, U prime, and you can do this I think around 8 times, and then the cube will be solved. Eventually you can get really good at this and become faster and faster, and eventually you can be this fast. Like that. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more awesome content, and have a good day.